Because it's so touchy, because this thing sucks.
You're so touchy.
What? Does it mean? Oh my gosh.
I'm hot.
It'll be fine. Huh. Just deal with it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have my mom here for the first official time.
I don't like this.
Today we're doing the mom tag slash how well does my mom know me. I thought I would mix them together, and I have a few questions for her. What's your name? Tell them your name.
My name?
Yes.
Jerry.
This is my mom, Jerry.
Hi.
Ah!
This is weird.
Without further ado, subscribe if you guys are new, and let's get started.
You forgot thumbs up.
No, that's at the end.
Oh.
What's my favorite season and why?
Spring or fall or winter or...
Yeah. What else would... What?
Well, okay, it's winter.
I mean, why?
Because you love the snow and you love Christmas.
Yeah. I thought I would start out easy. Next, what is my... Oh my gosh. What is my biggest pet peeve? That should be easy.
Oh. People chewing with their mouth open.
Yes. Okay, next. What is your funniest childhood memory of me? Like, what's the funniest thing I ever did when I was a kid?
You should have told me these ahead of time so I could think about it.
There's so many, I know.
I know.
I'm just a funny girl.
You've gotten funnier as you've gotten older.
Oh, thanks. I appreciate it. Like what? You suck.
I hate this.
Oh my gosh.
It was not too long after we
You're
moved.
touching my toes.
Not too long after we moved into the old house, but you were not even quite 3 years old yet. Grant was not a year old yet. I was in his room changing his diaper, and by the time I was done changing his diaper, I came out to the living room and you had disappeared. Which isn't really funny, but so I was like yelling around the house trying to find you, and it was like, Madison, where are you? I thought maybe you were playing hide and seek or something. I didn't know what you were. And then I noticed that the front door was like cracked open. I was like, oh, where'd she go? And I opened the front door and look outside. You were all the way down to the end of the cul-de-sac. I don't know, 4 or 5 houses down the street, and just walking along the sidewalk, like, no big deal. I go out the door and I start like walking really fast because I didn't want to like run and like freak you out or scare you or anything. I was like, hey, Madison! Like, what? And you like waved at me. I was like, what are you doing? I go, it was just nice outside, so I wanted to take a little walk, or what, I don't know exactly what you said. Well, that's great, but you shouldn't do that by yourself without your mommy because you're only not even 3 years old yet. Your father went to like Home Depot or whatever and got one of those lock things, and we put it way up at the top.
I remember those.
We put it way up at the top of the door so that you couldn't do it again.
I hated that. I remember you doing that and I never could reach it.
Uh-huh. We put one on the back door too.
Oh my gosh, you tell a story so long.
I'm sorry.
No. What is one of the top things I want to accomplish in my career?
I know one of your dream things would be to be in a cheesy Christmas movie.
That is correct. What is one of my fave Christmas movies?
Oh, geez.
I've seen all of them.
Exactly. Well, I don't even know what they all are.
I know you know one.
12 Dates of Christmas?
That's one of them. Yeah.
That's the only one I can think of.
That's the one I thought you would think of. And a more like traditional one, I love the Grinch movie.
Oh, well, I wasn't thinking about those.
I know. How would you describe me? Wow, I'm so awesome.
Well, let's see. You have red hair.
No, not my outside appearance.
You're very outgoing. You're kind and lovely.
Stop touching my toes. Making me sweat.
You're smart. You have a beautiful voice.
Oh.
No, not like that though.
Yes.
No, well, there's lots of things. I don't know how to
Okay, cool, next.
say them.
What do I always forget to do, but actually enjoy doing it when I do it? I just always forget about it, but I like it when I do it.
Reading?
Yeah.
Oh.
Wow. When you were a kid, what did you want to be when you grew up?
No, geez. My sister and I both got one year, I don't know if it was for our birthday or Christmas, we had these little like plaques that you put on your door. I think I might still have it somewhere, but I'm not sure.
What?
I've told you this before. It's a little wooden plaque with a little girl painted on it, and it says Rodeo Queen. I wanted to be in the rodeo and be the rodeo queen.
Oh yeah. Last one. Are you as crazy as me?
No.
What?
Definitely not.
Yeah, you are.
No, I'm not.
Yes, you are.
No.
Yeah, she is.
No, I definitely think you're crazier.
She's inappropriate more than I am. Yeah, you are. She makes sea shit.
What?
She says what?
That's what she said.
Why are you whispering it?
Because it's inappropriate.
Oh my gosh. See, that wasn't too bad. That was all.
That was awful.
Do it. You should do it.
What?
Do part of it.
Oh no.
Yes?
No, you know I hate being put on the spot and I don't like acting.
It's not acting. It's
Yes, it is.
one thing.
But do I have to change my voice like you do?
No. What do you mean like I do?
Thank you guys.
That is for you. That is not how I don't go thank you guys for watching.
I didn't do that.
Thank you guys.
I didn't do it.
Stop.
Or we can say it together. What do you say?
What? No, it's creepy. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed.
Well, we're like the same person, so what was that again?
Thank you.
Where are you at?
I saw your spit. I don't pay attention. We're almost freaking done. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to
Like and subscribe
down below. Love you guys. See you in the next one. Bye. I hate you.